Hi guys, it's Julie with Enhanced by Julie, and today I have an unboxing for you of some hair that I ordered. And so let's get right into it. This is the package that I received today. The hair company that I ordered from is called Dsoar Hair. I ordered this hair on March 6th and I received it today, March 9th. 3 days. It only took this hair 3 days to ship. On the back, this is the packaging. It comes in a box, which is good because when I make the wig, this would be something for me to store the wig in, so at least I'll know what company it came from. And on the back, it also has information on how to wash the hair and hair care, which I think is nice. And it also has the website address on the hair. Okay, let's open this hair. Okay, when I first opened the box, this is how it looks. Okay, they sent me a pair of mink lashes. I'm okay with that. Mink lashes. And then here are my bundles. I got Malaysian Body Wave, and I got it in a 24-inch, a 22-inch, and a 26-inch. And I also have an 18-inch closure. They didn't put anything in the packaging as far as what I actually got. I did order Malaysian, so I'm hoping that's what they send me. So let's open the hair. First, I'm going to open up the 22-inch. Okay. I hope this hair is good. I've seen some good reviews on this hair online. However, this is AliExpress hair, so you know how they go. You either hit and miss when it comes to the vendors. So I'm going to do everything that I would do to any normal virgin hair that I will have, you know, take care of it, because I don't want to bash them, especially if I'm not taking care of the hair like I'm supposed to. Okay, this is how the hair comes out, and this is the packaging. Their packaging is really nice. I really like that. This is the weft. They're constructed nicely. However, I just feel like it's not a whole lot of hair, and I understand the longer the length, the shorter the weft, but for 22 inches, I've ordered hair before, and I got more than this in a bundle. So they said that this is Malaysian. When I run my hand through the hair, I don't know if you can see that or pick up on that, but I do see a lot of short pieces. A lot of short pieces. The hair is thicker at the top, and it does come down. It's not as thick on the bottom, so that's where all these short pieces are coming from. Some of the pieces are even as short as this right here, so we'll see. The hair seems to be a natural 1B, 2. Okay, this is the 24-inch. And I am getting the same thing. I see a lot of short pieces in this hair, a lot of short pieces. It's, you know, kind of decent at the top, and it comes down real thin at the bottom. So you know there's a lot of short pieces in this. As far as the end of this bundle, the ends look pretty good. Usually I dye my bundles jet black because I love jet black hair. However, I'm going to keep these the natural color. And this is the 26-inch. This is my first time actually buying 26-inch hair. The longest I've ever had was 24. Man. Okay, I'm running my hand through the hair. And on this 26-inch, the ends of the hair feels different. I'm actually getting a lot of snagging on the 26-inch running my hands through it. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can kind of hear it coming through. there are a lot of people on YouTube who are reviewing this hair, but they're sent the hair for free. And I'm sure, being that they are sent the hair for free, that they're going to get the better bundles, because the reviews that they put out is what going to make people want to purchase the hair. That's what made me purchase the hair. However, I pay for this hair with my own money, so I think it's only right for me to give my opinion on what I feel, on what I think of the hair. However, with me, I'm going to give you my honest opinion because I paid for this hair with my own coins. So I'm going to give you the real. To give this hair a chance, I am going to deep condition this hair because I don't want to think the worst of it. You know what I mean? But this is the 26. Okay, the 24. And the 23. So this is the hair, this is the length. I think what's going to end up happening, because that 26, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can show you guys this. See, the end of that is so, it's not thick at all at the bottom. So I'll probably end up cutting this 26 up to a 24. So it's like I'm losing 2 inches on my longest length because the ends of this, we'll see. I don't know, we'll see. But I know I probably have to trim it up. But these are the bundles. This is the 22, the 24, and this is the 26. And as you see, the 26 is the wefts is, the bundle is actually a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead into this frontal, honey. This is my first time actually purchasing a frontal and making a frontal wig. So when we go through these videos, like, it's gonna be, if it's new for you, it's definitely gonna be new for me. So we're gonna go through this, and I'm praying that that I get through it and it comes out right. But I have enough confidence in myself that I'm able to do this. So this is the frontal. This is the frontal. This is the 18-inch frontal. Ooh. Now the hair on the frontal is soft. I don't know. The hair, I mean, I ordered Malaysian hair, but it seems to feel like Brazilian. So I don't know. I mean, with AliExpress, you can order one thing, but you never know what you're gonna get. And I look at Vanity Sanity 119, and what she said when ordering from AliExpress is better to order Malaysian, because Malaysian tends to be a better hair than the Brazilian and the Peruvian. So I ordered Malaysian, and she actually did a review on this hair, and the hair was gorgeous on her. That's what made me order the hair. And I'm sure she got better bundles. I am sure she did. However, the hair was gorgeous, and I have faith in her review, and that's what made me purchase this hair, to do my own review on it. So this is the frontal. It looks like it came pre-plucked a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it came pre-plucked a little bit. But I'm going to go in and customize it some more to fit me. Because this is going to be nice. Because this baby is going to be like this. But I got to customize it right. Because I do not like people who wear frontals and it looks like a helmet. So we're going to send our prayers up to God and hope that when I make this wig that it does not look like a helmet. That, that I hope I look at enough tutorials to know how to do this right. And if not, it'll be my first try, and hopefully I'll get it right the next time. But the frontal, the hair on this frontal is actually nice. So we'll see. And this frontal is a 13 by 4. 13 by 4. So I'm hoping I do have enough hair, but we'll see. So you guys, this is the unboxing of this video. So thank you again for watching. Until next time.